guys, good evening, good evening, my brothers and sisters all over the world. Is your friend, your girl, your sister, Wisdom Go TV show. Please, if you never subscribe to this YouTube channel, please do press that notification bell, so that anytime I upload any video, you'll be the first to see it. Thank you and God bless you. So I want to still talk about this document of 18. I just went to post office purposely because of these documents, which is this. Hope you people are seeing it, because the voice note was sent to me, recorded by one Osas. So I said, let me go to post office and pick this envelope so that I will show you people. Yes, like this envelope now is not for new documents. No, really they are debating on it. Say they won't do paper, yes, they are really debating on it. But that law, they never really pass them out, because if they pass them out, we go still know. Understand me? We go understand. If they pass that law out now, you believe say you don't understand well and you don't see person ask, you fit go direct to CGN. No place where CGN not dey. E dey your city now, e dey everywhere. You fit go there, go ask, because they read the CGN, they get office or inside for extraordinary. You will go there, go ask, or you go direct to Questura, go and ask. They know dey beat person, they know dey keep person. Like that voice note wey that boy just record, put am for hair. No, not be so. And people come begin dey run, dey go post office, go dey carry these kits. These kits, wetin dey write put? Let me just quickly read wetin dey write put. Please, a minute. Wetin dey write put for these kits? E say richiesta rilasciare il rinnovo del permesso carta di soggiorno per cittadini stranieri. Na be wetin dey write put. This one, e don reach 5, wetin be 5 days when I no carry am, but I dey very busy. I for don do the video ever since. Na make the paper come be like this. As I carry am, I no get wetin I wan use am do again. It's useless. Understand me? Na make the paper be like this. So e don reach how many days now we dey with me. Dey inside my handbag, I dey carry am up and down. So even if they wan declare documents, say they don dey talk am, say they wan do paper, if they wan come bring another kit come out, I no believe say they go use this yellow sign. They go use another color, so that people go fit differentiate am between this and that one. And this very one don dey in existence since. Na people dey use since to renew. If you get 2 years, if you get 5 years, you wan apply for carta soggiorno, you wan change your passport for your carta soggiorno, you wan put your daughter or your son name join your documents. Now na this kit na dem dey use. Understand me? No be new soggiorno, and this kit. Understand? Then they say for una wey maybe if you don dey work, or if you never dey work, try look for work in case if they pass that law, so that you go get that advantage for your patroni to quick write for you. Understand me? Or if you don dey work, stick to that work now in case if they pass that law out, if really put am for hair, so that your patroni go quick follow you, go Questura, go apply for that document for you. Understand? Like this kit, this one now to fill am. This very one is to fill, to pay for the money. That is, you will fill it. Everything dey, you fill am. If na for soggiorno, I don't forget how much. Carta soggiorno, I think is about 200 and something. Soggiorno, I think is about 80 something or 100 and something. I've forgotten, because me I no dey renew again. So na this one before you fill am. then you go now post this one for, you go fill and give them for post office. Na post office go come give you appointment wey you take go questura with this receipt. Then this very form, different forms na im dey here. Like this one, everything wey dey this place now, ma dey show una small small. Everything wey dey here, shey una dey see am? Are you people seeing it? Or may I read some for here? Like these documents, this kit, this very kit, this kit, wetin dem dey use am for? Affidamento, aggiungimento carta di soggiorno, cambio i domicilio, stato civile, inserire i figli, cambio i passaporti, aggiungamento foto. That is, if you wan change photo, pic that be passport, that passport photograph. If you wan change, then aggiungamento permesso di soggiorno, cambio domicilio, stato civile, inserimento i figli, cambio, okay, na still the same thing with that one. Then asilo politico rinnovo. That is asilo politico rinnovo. If maybe una wey get asilo document like 2 years, 5 years, you can still use this one na dey take dey renew. If you get 2 years, maybe that your 2 years now, you don use am for, you don dey use am for self-employment, that is autonomo, you dey pay tax, everything put. Na this one you fit take post am. If you get 5 years, still asilo politico, na still this one na you fit still take post am. Understand? Like those days when we dey do documents, we no dey use them. That is, we no get our own through this asilo politico. We no get our own through there. Na through patroni, or you dey na through patroni. You look for patroni, or if really you are working, then he will not sign for you. So na through there we get our own. Then this sojourner is this fight too. Na see for tourism, maybe you dey invite person come, you fit use this kind one, fill am the same thing. Everything dey inside here. Many forms na it dey, different things na the paper contain. See am, many different things na it contain. Any information, that is maybe for carta soggiorno na, maybe get where you tick, where you mark and all those ones. Then for if you wan still change a passport, you still get where you mark. If you wan change put your daughter or your son name for your documents, you still get where you go mark. Like me I dey go CGL. Then I dey go CGL, na CGL dey help me dey fill am. Then here is marca da bollo 16 euro. This very place, then you put the marca da bollo. So then me I dey go CGL, because if you go there, na dem will fill everything for you. For una wey no understand how to fill am, you can look for CGL wey dey nearby. CGL na dem dey fill am for me then. Understand me? So if dem fill everything for me, then they will tell me I go post am that time. So I just say my still come show na everything. And my brothers and my sisters wey dey run dey go post am, go dey carry this thing, this kit, it's of no use, because you carry am and you go be like you come turn to dustbin for your house. You no go fit use am. Like this one when I carry now when I take the carry am up and down for inside my bag, because I no get chance. I for don do video concerning am since. You know, say I say don dey useless. You know, I no fit use am na, because me I no dey renew again. I fit throw away this one, I no get wetin I wan use am do. I just carry am purposely say make I show una. But please make una no go dey carry am again. So of no use. Even if they want to pass, even if they decide to pass that law, say they wan share documents, fine. Say they wan re-share documents, I believe say they no go use the same color for here. No, and my belief be that they no go use the same color, so that people fit differentiate am between this and that new one. And I still get one little advice too for my brothers and for my sisters. You know, see, maybe they read now, they decide to really bring out that document and say they won't share am. Please open your eye. Yes, yes, open your eye. When I say open your eye, maybe if you come jam one oyibo now say go do for you, open your eye very well. Maybe that oyibo now if you decide to do for 5 6 people, and meanwhile na only one you go fit pay for, na only one you go fit present for custodian say na him do paper for. The rest that money don go, you no fit bring am come back again. So that make me say you open your eye so that una no go fall the victims. Una no hurry, jejeje, no hurry in life. So you open your eye so that you no go for that same, you no go for that victim, then you no be that mugu. Because if they wan do paper, many oyibo dey come out say dem dey do, they go do for you. Many they go come and say they go do for you, whereas maybe na one or two they fit do for, or only one sef na they fit do for. At the end, if they call them for questura, they no dey go. And if your patron no follow you go questura, that document is useless. They will not answer you unless your patron go follow you go questura. He go follow the procedures and everything wey they want. You go make sure say every document wey they need, he present am, he give them, then they go answer you. Say your patron no follow you go there, it's of no use. They no go answer you if they dey do paper, and the law be that they no go answer you. So una open una eye so that una no go for a victim, una no go for that area, because money no easy again for Europe. Talk less of it, you can see one kind money go through one for one person. You open your eye very well. And if you see dey that time wey they do documents, they still dey give some. If you no still open your eye well, you fit still get fake. They will give you fake, you no go know. Understand me? If you still carry am comot go questura, so at times law fit run against that person, go lead to deportation. That is if you no dey attentive as dem talk. So una dey very very vigilant. Even if dem pass the law, for now dem never pass am, dem just dey only dey debate am. And I pray make dem pass am, because e don tey years ago wey dem do those kind law reach. Na this Libya come make dem stop am. So if dem decide to start again, it's favourable. Everybody can do, as far you can as far you get that patroning wey go fit stand for you, is advantage, is okay, is good. Understand? So na the little advice wey I still get for una be that. And I still decide to still bring this envelope, this kit come out, so that I'll show una the difference. No be for new permits, or no, is to renew. No be new permits, so that is when I mean new virgin permit, so that is fresh one. No, this one is to renew. 2 years, 5 years, kata sojourner, put the name of your daughter or your son for your document, to change your passport wey don already dey for your kata sojourner, to invite person, every information dey inside. E dey because the paper many, so na make say every information dey inside, different ones. Na im full am, the paper many, say so every information is inside. This one is not for new documents, say e many. Understand me? Shey una dey see am. So na make me say just decide to go post office go carry am, so that I fit still show una for here say no need wey you take go dey run. Maybe some go don run now. If you no see, go come dey follow himself dey vex say he no see kits, whereas it's of no use. Go say this post office they say don finish, the other one he go they say don finish. You go begin buy bullet to dey go far go dey look for. At the end, if you carry am, it's useless. You no fit use am, because this one no be the one for me. I get am for believe say this one no be the one wey dem use, because dem no fit come add word join am. Even if they wan bring another one come out, no be this writing, no be this this thing wey they write for here they go put. Na another writing they go put, and another write up, excuse me, na they go put. So no be this very one. So una dey very careful, and I wish una all the best of luck. I pray make dem really make dem bring out the information, so that for my brothers and sisters who never get opportunity for you to get that document, it is very important. Na document na be Europe. So I wish una all the best of luck. Thank you. If you never subscribe for this YouTube channel, do so that anytime when I upload any video, you go dey see am. Anything concerning documents, just come here, you go see am. Then maybe you dey area of Napoli or area of Caserta, you no fit, you no dey fit speak the language, maybe you dey go Questora or call on me. If I get chance, I will follow you go. Problem no dey to interpret for you. There is no problem for that one. I can interpret for you wetin dem talk. Understand? If you no dey understand the language very well, I follow you down there. Provided you call me on time, I will book the appointment. I will follow you go there, go interpret for you, so that you go understand wetin dem talk. If na maybe concerning documents, if you dey go Questura or you dey go like CG or Prefectura, you no dey understand the language, you go find am difficult. I will leave my number for this screen. You call am, then book appointment with me. You call me in time, I will follow you down there. There is no problem for that one. They say there is love in sharing and love in helping brothers and sisters. That one don't mean anything. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Press that notification bell so that anytime I upload any video, you'll be the first to see it. And leave your comment for the comment section. Thank you and God bless you. Bye bye.